Hello, my fine fellow physicist and fella physicist, fellows and fellas, whatever. Welcome back to term 5, ready to do it again. Hopefully you're all wound down from the last term and you're ready to wind up for this term. It's been Memorial Day weekend. I don't know, do you cook hot dogs on Memorial Day weekend? Barbecue, grill out, raise a flag, honor those who've gone before us for our country, but enjoy the time. Tuesday, we hit the ground running. Term 5, another 8 weeks ready to go. So physical systems, welcome. I just want to take a little bit of time to take you through the class and show you what's on the menu and the agenda for this first week anyway, and just to say hi. Good to see you guys. Looking forward to another great term. And here we are. So physical systems, term 5, 2020, there's 2 classes. You may be in different classes, but I got you all lumped in right here, okay? So one thing I want to tell you about, if you haven't had me before, if you have, you know this then, that I don't post too much in the stream other than this welcome video and every now and then. But it is a good place to find the latest things, maybe even for that day. But I would not try to find old work on the stream. I would simply go to classwork, which is where I advise you always go. So just to show you a few first things about the class and how you can get in contact with me. All right, so number 1 is the Zoom. So I will have right here, and it is not yet, I just realized that. I will have my Zoom link. Let me see if it was here. No, it wasn't. Okay. And I'm available Fridays, 10 to noon, and then from about 1 to 3 for live interviews. So my link will be open, and if you click on it, voila, there I will be. And you can ask me questions. We can go over things, and I can share my screen with you, and likewise you with me, and I can help you out. All right, now aside from that, what if you need me outside those times under certain cases, you're working on the assignment? Now is right here in the top center, Meet. It is also on the banner right here, Meet, and it'll ring if I am right around the computer and I'm working in it, which is usually, then I can answer that. If I don't answer, it's because I'm not around or I'm in the middle of doing something else, and I'll get right back with you. But generally speaking, click on Meet and it'll ring, and we'll be able to have like I said, face-to-face. If an email doesn't work, you can always drop an email question or post a question on an assignment in writing. That's fine. But if it's something that's hard to verbalize or you need to explain or feel like you just want to meet with the teacher, then click on Meet. So the Zoom and the Meet are available for you now. Google Calendar with assignments. And of course, you'll always have your to-do list there. And then a third way, which we'll interact as a community, is through Flipgrid. So Flipgrid, again, if you have me for chemical systems, you might know. If you've had me for any class, you might know what this is now from last term. But this is what I want you to do over this Memorial Day weekend, or at least maybe by the end of Tuesday, is come and click on this link. What this is a video recording that allows you and me and the rest of the class to see each other face to face, even if we can't be there physically, and think of it as being able to have a conversation at your own rate and at your own availability. You post the video, it's 30 seconds to a couple minutes, and then whenever someone's available or they get on, they can see the video and respond to it back and forth. So it's kind of like a video chat. It is not social media, and only people in our classroom see it. And only from time to time. We're not going to use it a lot, but I do, and I want you to at least leave a short introduction video so that in the term, when we do assign it, or if I do give you one, you'll know what it's all about. You won't have to learn Flipgrid then. Super easy. Let me show you. So this is our class Flipgrid. I'll take you to all our topics, but I want to click on this one for you. And when you first click on it, you may be asked to log in. No problem. No different than any other Google product you've had from our Excel Center. Log in with your school email. Allow it to load. That's my Mo Goodwill Excel. And bam, you'll be taken straight to physical systems. And there we are. Hola. Hello. Hello. Say hello. share a fun fact about yourself. Maybe tell me something that makes you smile. And you can see, of course, I'm making this. Nobody's left a video yet. But to leave a video, you just click on this white cross right here. Now, you can also download it from the App Store. It's really easy to use. You go to it, and you can video yourself. You can flip the camera. You can also upload things and screens. We won't get into all that right now, but I'm just saying, whether you have a smartphone, you might, and you're not using a computer, you might want to go to and download Flipgrid right now. And the code is on the Google Class. Hold on, I lost my, there it is, sorry. All right, if I clicked on it right now, it won't let me because I'm using my camera and the volume for this video, so I can't make another video on a video. Anyway, and say hello, just again, drop a quick, simple line. Let's go back to regular. Okay, so try to, if you see this in time, try to do this by Tuesday, and if not, and you see this Tuesday, that's fine too. It won't take you but a few moments to do that. So let's get on with, first I'm going to go through what we're going to do for these 8 weeks, and then I'll come back to week 1 specifically. So this first week is mostly going to be the nature of science. What is the goal and the aim of science? That's your first question to answer. What is the goal of science? And just kind of submit your thoughts on why we do science. Why would you do science? And then a little bit about measurement. Again, repetition is key. I use the same measurement exercise on the metric system as I do in chemical systems with a slight twist. So you'll end up doing that on Thursday. But Tuesday and Wednesday are mostly the nature of science and the scientific method. And we're going to practice that by building a rocket. Dun, dun. Then we'll go through properties of matter, phases of matter, states of matter. And then and we'll look at the changes in those phases and the changes in those properties and states of matter. That's what's most interesting. And then motion and Newton's laws. So these are just fundamental truths that govern the universe. Whenever a news article like just came out this week, my son showed me, something that defies our current laws of physics. Do we know what those laws of physics are? If it's going to defy or go against them, how would we know that? How do we know that's not normal? So these are just the fundamental laws: motion, speed, direction, and learning technical terms that go along with that. That's going to be a couple weeks. And we'll end up with energy then. And we'll do different kinds of energy, how we measure energy in the form of work, power, electricity, conductors and insulators you can see there. So you can't see all this yet, but you can see this on my page, and I will amend that as we go through the term. So week 1 is always kind of an introduction to science to form that steady base. So again, now just for this week, there's a do now question for Tuesday. That'll open up. You can even begin thinking about it now, and you'll pop your answer in there, and I'll take attendance. And then here's Tuesday's lessons. So the instructions in the order, you click this. When you click these, everything you need to do this lesson for today, and as most lessons will be, all be on a doc with the links. You just click on and you come in and fill in the blanks. You have to delete those spaces. And read through and kind of fill in your notes here. All right. So that's what that is. Now for convenience, I'll also typically put, like there was a PowerPoint in there or a video, I'll also make those available out here too for quick access should you go back to the lesson. Or to have 2 tabs open. That's the way it works. Wednesday is the same thing. All instructions are right here on this page. You click it and do it. And we will be using Kami. So there's a few things like this one. So I'm going to click on this, and it's a PDF. I'll have to make sure that works. But PDF, and you'll open with Kami, and you'll have a toolbox on your left that you're able to use to fill in the PDF sheets. And we'll go over more of that later. Okay, so that's this first week. Just got these 3 lessons, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, mostly scientific method and measurement. We'll have a little fun in building a rocket. And I'll probably post a Flipgrid and look forward to seeing your Flipgrids and things you do over the weekend with this Build a Rocket Lab. And if you got some little hand helpers around the house, that might be fun. All right, so I'm going to stop the video here. Welcome again to Term 5. and get ready to get the scientist out in you. All right. Have a great weekend.